जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड के भूत विश्वमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMS समाचार channel from international. Tonga is a Polynesian kingdom of more than 170 South Pacific islands. Many are inhabited, most lined in white beaches and coral reefs, and covered with tropical rainfall. The main island, Tonga Tapu, is protected by lagoons and limestone cliffs. Country 19 crore farmers will got respect and Samman Nidhi at 25th December. 18,000 crore rupees will goes to farmers bank. Education in UP in January. Pre-board examination will be started. Sacrament's digital and mobile app, they got loan. RBI will giving warning. Environment noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution, is the propagation of noise with ranging impacts on the activity of human or animal life. Most of them are harmful to a degree. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transport, and propagation systems. Winter clothing are used for protection against the particularly cold weather of winter. Often they have a good water resistance, consist of multiple layers of protect and insulate against low temperature. Great portion Tulsidas, also known as Goswami Tulsidas, was a Ramanandi Vaishnav saint and a poet renowned for his devotion to the deity Ram. Bihar is a state in East India bordering Nepal. It is divided by the river Ganges, which floods its fertile plains. Important Buddhist pilgrimage sites include the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya's Mahabodhi temple, under which the Buddha allegedly meditated. Its capital is Patna. Crop Cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a ball or protective cage around the seeds of the cotton plants of the genus Gossypium. In the mallow family Malvasia, the fiber is most pure cellulose. Under natural conditions, the cotton balls will increase the dispersal of the seeds. Fruits: the avocado, a tree likely originating from south central Mexico, is classified as a member of the flowering plant Laudaceae. The fruit of the plant, also called avocado, is botanically a large berry containing a single large seed. Flower Chauceretia oblongata is a species of flowering plant in the Asteraceae. It is native to the Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, India, Mongolia, northern Burma, and southwest China. In the Himalayas, it is found at an altitude of around 4,500 meters. Yoga meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Gold mining is the resource extraction of gold by mining. Mathematics calculus, originally called infinitesimal calculus or the calculus of infinitesimal, is the mathematical study of continuous change. In the same way that geometry is the study of shape and algebra is the study of generalization of arithmetic operation. Ayurveda, Ashoka Saraka. Asoka is a plant belonging to the Dendroaceae subfamily of the Lasium family. It is an important tree in the cultural tradition of the Indian subcontinent and adjacent areas. Village town Chitrakoot is a famous pilgrimage center and a Nagar Panchayat in the Satna district in the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. It is a place of religious, cultural, historical, and archaeological importance situated in the Bundelkhand region. Today's event, Independence Day in Libya, Day of Military Honor in Russia, Feast of Seven Fishes in Italian Americans, Vigilia in Poland, weather news. After the smoke and fog in morning, there is some quantity of sunlight. Today's temperature 9 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 8 degrees Celsius. Today's food, that's all I think for tomorrow. Leave, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः